Hi everyone, this is Peter here. I hope you're all doing great. Today I'm at Karkarook Park and I'm gonna do a bit of bird photography. I decided to return to this location because at this time of the day the light is perfect for some birds in flight photography. We're gonna try and capture some shots, mainly of seagulls and other species that you can see right here. They have little pied cormorants, different types of herons and swamp hens, coots. So let's try our luck. Also, if you'd like to know how I set up my Canon R7 for wildlife photography, then check out this tutorial as well if you're interested. My gear is the usual, the Canon R7 with the EF 100 to 400mm IS2. And first we're gonna take some shots of some wood ducks. There are a few around here. Let's lower the exposure. Oh, I love this. The eye detect works so well. This is a female, by the way, that I'm capturing right now, whose feathers are being blown. Let's move a little bit. I'm gonna try and capture this male. Such a beautiful species. This male is preening itself right now. So cute. Let's capture some videos as well. Wow, so many seagulls. Unreal. All over the place. Wow. So many. That's unreal. Look at that. Wow. Crazy. I hope they're not gonna crap all over me. Alright, let's try and capture some seagulls in flight. Okay, I can lower the ISO to 400 and I'm shooting at 3200 of a second at f7.1, which gives me enough depth of field. They're gonna come back, I think. Yeah, they're coming back. A few of them, at least. There's a whole group that's just chilling on top of this hill. Oh, there's a little plover, or I think it is called a plover. Oh, it's such a beautiful little species. I'll try and capture it. It's hunting now, coming this way. So cute, so beautiful. I've seen this species before, extremely cute. So cute. I'm gonna try and capture some footage of it. So beautiful, this tiny little bird, the way it's foraging, unreal. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Look this way. Doesn't want to look this way. Taking pictures of some seagulls there. We've got a couple of seagulls on this little hill right here. I'm going to try and get a little bit closer. I'm gonna select the seagull in the front. If it actually looks this way, yeah, that's it. Nice. Very nice. A couple of Eurasian coots foraging there. So cute. Well, I really like the colors of the background. Wonder if they're gonna take off. Oh yeah. Looks a little bit agitated or scared. There was a dog walking nearby. Wonder if I got any shots that are decent. Wow, wind has picked up. Let's just move down here. Oh, there is a masked lapwing on the other side. Come on, buddy. So beautiful. He's just walking on the edge of the water. Just found something. I love the way they forage. Turn your head. I'm gonna try and record it. These masked lapwings are gorgeous. Alright, let's not fall with this camera. I'm gonna try and capture a little grabe right now. It's a bit too far. Where are you, buddy? It has submerged. Hopefully gonna pop up again. I can't see it now. Where are you? They can stay underwater for quite some time. Oh, there it is. I will have to crop in quite a bit. Oops. Just submerged again. Pacific black ducks over there. I like the way they're swimming in unison. Hi buddy, what's up? Oh, it's so nice. Oh, I love that. Beautiful. We've got a magpie here, really cute male magpie. I think he's gonna drink. Yeah, he's drinking now. I'm gonna try and capture it from the other side. I thought it was gonna start swimming or baiting. Oh, it is baiting now. Come on, buddy, turn this way. That's nice. Very nice. Alright, this is it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did and you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. And you might also want to have a look at these videos next. Thanks again and catch you very soon in the next one.